Try this right now. Stand on one foot. If you can't hold it for 10 seconds, your brain is warning you. Your balance is at risk. But the good news? Physical therapists use a 5-minute ritual to rebuild rock-solid hip stability. Let's start immediately. Your hips control your balance. When they're weak, your risk of falling increases. This routine targets the exact muscles physical therapists train to keep people walking strong and confident. Our first move is the pelvic lift, also known as the glute bridge. This is the foundation. It activates the gluteus maximus, the largest muscle in your body, and stabilizes your pelvis, your lower back, and your knees. If you sit a lot, this exercise is non-negotiable. Take a gentle breath in. As you exhale, engage your core. Pull your belly button toward your spine. Press through your heels and slowly lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes. Your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower with control. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. If the floor isn't an option, sit tall on a chair and squeeze your glutes. Progress matters, not perfection. Stability leg raise, hip abduction. The second move builds side-to-side balance. Weak hip stabilizers are the #1 reason people feel unsteady on uneven ground. This exercise strengthens the gluteus medius, your body's balance protector. Shift your weight onto one leg. Brace your core. Slowly lift the outside leg to the side. No swinging, no leaning. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower with control. This final movement is the most important. Standing up from a chair isn't exercise, it's independence. This rebuilds real-world strength in your glutes, thighs, and core. Lean forward until your nose is over your toes. Press through your heels. Stand tall. Squeeze your glutes. If needed, use arm rests lightly. If standing is too hard today, try a seated march. Strength builds step by step. This is your 5-minute hip ritual. Pelvic lifts for foundation. Stability leg raises for balance. Chair sit to stands for real-world power. Consistency doesn't just strengthen your body, it protects your freedom. If this helped, hit like. Type yes in the comments if you're starting today. And subscribe for simple routines that keep you strong, steady, and independent.